The circular saw is a powerful and versatile cutting tool designed to deliver clean, precise, and efficient cuts across a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, plastics, and composite boards. Equipped with a high-torque motor and a sharp, rotating disc blade, it allows users to slice through materials with remarkable speed and accuracy. Whether used for straight rip cuts, cross cuts, or bevel cuts, the circular saw combines raw, cutting power with advanced engineering to meet the demands of both professional tradespeople and dedicated DIYers. Its ergonomic handle design, balanced weight distribution, and vibration minimizing build ensure greater control and reduced fatigue during extended use, while adjustable depth and angle settings give users full flexibility to handle different project requirements. With its durability and cutting precision, the circular saw stands as a must-have for carpentry, construction, renovation, and woodworking tasks. More than just a tool, the circular saw is a productivity booster that transforms challenging cutting jobs into smooth, effortless operations. Modern designs often incorporate features like laser guides for pinpoint accuracy, dust extraction ports for a cleaner workspace, and safety guards to protect users during operation. The saw's portability allows it to be used both in workshops and on job sites, making it a reliable companion for projects big and small. From framing and decking to cabinetry and furniture making, the circular saw delivers consistent, high-quality results that save time and minimize waste. Built with heavy-duty materials and engineered for longevity, it is an investment that continues to pay off through years of dependable service, enabling users to tackle any cutting task with confidence, precision, and speed.